Hey guys, in this video we're going to add the symbols in the iOS app. Now the reason why I didn't do it before is because I wanted to show you the process of what I usually go through when I don't create symbols up front. And basically I'll show you if, for example, you're having a design project, a file that's been handed to you, and you want to add symbols. This is usually the process that you're gonna have to go through. Now the benefits of using symbols are multiple, and usually when I'm dealing with my clients' projects I use them all of the time, as well as creating design systems which basically will have text styles and layer styles. Now we won't go too much into the details of the design systems in this specific project. However, I would highly suggest you to always use symbols, always use text styles, layer styles whenever you can, because it's an upfront investment you're making that will make your life much easier down the road, and it's the most scalable solution that you can really do, to be honest, with Sketch, XD, or whatever software you're using. So this is it, and enjoy the video.